Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 9th of December 2025, Nifty index opened negative and cascaded southwards right from the opening tick. The break of 25,900 established sellers' dominance and the index faced exhaustion and failed to reclaim its morning highs. The index attempted some recovery in the last hour and managed to close near 25,950 with losses of around 230 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and gave up its gains of the last two trading sessions. India VIX was up by around 8% to 11.1 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.64. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,500 to 26,400 marks, while immediate range could be in between 25,700 to 26,100 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 780 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,460 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 12%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 26,000 levels, index may face some weakness towards 25,800 and 25,700, while hurdles have shifted lower to 26,150. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 59,500, some weakness could be seen towards 59,000 and 58,750, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 59,500 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in a selective handful of stocks, which includes TechM, Wipro, SBI Life, Axis Bank, and Eicher Motors. While some weakness could continue in Indigo, Lodha, HAL, Eternal, Mastock, Biocon, JSW Energy, and Cipla. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.